Assalamu alaikum. This is Kurwan from EasyLink. Today I will explain you why there are so many resident permit is being rejected or refused by immigration and how you can avoid those. The first thing, the company address. If your company address changes, you must need to update in all systems. Second, if you use the share address or not the physical address, then you must need to keep contact with your agent or the management. If the police or immigration come to visit the office, they should cooperate with them. Third, if you don't have the Chinese employee, you should find a Chinese employee and pay the insurance for them. Fourth, if you are paying the low taxes like the corporate tax or the personal tax, you should consult with your agent or increase your tax like the corporate tax and also the personal tax. Fifth, you should up to date in all laws regarding the company and resident permit, work permit. So please keep contact with your agent and get the information up to date. If you need any information regarding Guangzhou company, Hong Kong company, work permit, resident permit, tax issue, tax refund, you can ask Team EasyLink. We are always ready to assist you, to guide you. Stay in China happily and safely. Thank you.